Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. And to do so it's very simple. Let's just go to tools and here go to options. After that let's go to trade and then click on one click trading. And then click on I accept these terms and conditions, click OK and then OK. So this is the method that's used by many people on the internet. If you're looking to fix this issue, you'll find that many people are already using this or proposing this solution. But if this didn't work, as I have seen on many comment sections, this didn't work for many people. So let's just get to why this doesn't work. So I made a little list of reasons why this can't work for some accounts. So here are the common reasons why you can trade and how to fix them. So maybe you have a new account without an initial deposit. If your account is newly created, trading might be restricted until a first deposit is made. So make sure you have deposited the minimum required amount to activate trading. I think it's like $100 or something like that. And then you may have been using an inactive account. So accounts that haven't been used for a while, an example 30 days, may be temporarily disabled. So reach out to your broker to reactivate it. Maybe the market is closed. Trading is unavailable during weekends, holidays, or outside of regular market hours. Double check the trading schedule for the instrument you're trying to trade, and maybe you have some restrictions on your account. So certain account types like demo accounts or swap-free accounts may have limitations on what can be traded. So contact your broker to understand the specific restrictions on your account. Maybe the instrument is unavailable or disabled. The trading instrument you're trying to access might be temporarily or permanently unavailable. So to check it, right-click in the Market Watch window, choose Specification, and review its trading status. You can also have read-only access. So if you're logged in using an investor or read-only password, trading functions will be disabled. So make sure you're signed in with your main trading credentials. So as you can see here, these are all the common reasons why you can trade on MetaTrader 5. So just check your account, check your setup to trade, and then if all of this didn't work, you can contact the MetaTrader support to solve your problem. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.